So that's my initial sound test of the MW75 keyboard. My unit is from the Geeksta. It's powered by the Geeksta. This review is powered by the Geeksta. So again, this is just my initial thought. It's an awesome keyboard. Let's view their site for the complete details. So it's the MW75 barebone kit. It's a 75% exploded layout, gasket mounted, legit gasket mounted, as you saw from the typing test. There's really a lot of bounce and flex into this bad boy. It's QMK and VIA compatible. That's a good thing, especially for this price point. It has a very soft polycarbonate plate with flex cuts and south-facing PCB. So this alone checks a lot of the good stuff that I personally am looking for in a keyboard. And it's really amazing that all of these specs, so south-facing LEDs, screw-in stabilizers, hot swappable, all of these specs are bundled in a very, very enticing price point of 5,000 pesos. Although I do have to say that these probably is one of the most difficult builds that I have done so far. I will be releasing a build guide to hopefully ease that process, especially for our newbies out there. But my God, you see this flex cut over here? Flex cuts in the PCB, flex cuts in the plate. These are legit flex cuts. These are legit gasket mounting design that eventually translates to a very good and very soft typing feel. And I have never tried any keyboard at this price point, at 5,000 peso bare bones, to include all of these features listed here. So you really have to consider this if you're on the lookout for a 75% keyboard. Very flashy RGB color schemes, especially with the clear acrylic case. This is an instant recommendation, the MW75, especially for those already with an experience in building keyboards. For the newbies out there, might be a different experience. Hopefully, the modding guide and the build guide that I will be releasing will be able to help you. So that's it for now. Thank you for the constant support in this channel, really growing at an amazing rate. So if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, I do encourage you to keep this channel growing. Please like and subscribe. That's it. Talkie Dokie, signing out.